I am Fancy Fairy Angela of Fancy Fairy Wings and Things. I've been making professional grade iridescent fairy wings for the past 16 years, like this. However, understanding that not everybody can afford a set of these, and also realizing that I am just an individual artist and product is limited, today I'm going to teach you how to make your own set of iridescent fairy wings. These are the wings that you will be making. They are the Piera Clear Wing Satyr wings, a natural design. You will need either a Cricut Maker machine or you will need a lot of patience and an X-Acto knife. The Cricut Maker will cut it a lot easier, and I do have a file available for you. Or you can make your own design completely, just use the techniques. Now, one thing I really want to mention, if you are creating your own design, is please respect copyright. The best way to avoid any issues is to refer to Mother Nature for your designs. Anything existing in the natural world that is not man-made is pretty much up for grabs. And now you should have a finished set of iridescent fairy wings. Last but not least, you'll want to pose them a little bit and conform the brace to the shape of your back. I like to usually curve it inward a little bit, this way, and also curve the vertical parts inward, and shape the panels by holding your hand flat, making sure that you are holding on to the wires, and bend slightly backwards. This gives the wings a little more life and character, so it looks like you're about to take off instead of just a straight flat set of wings. You can use it by slipping it into a corset, just like this, or you can tie ribbon or elastic onto the upper and lower corners of the brace. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, all the other usual spots. And I've also included links to all of the products that you would need to complete this project. Thank you and happy fluttering!